Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Penn, and today this is a little indulgence for me. It's a recipe that I made a couple of years ago. Our local Chippie was advertising cheese and onion fritters, and we went one day and I thought, oh yeah, I really fancy that, because I don't know about you, but I don't always fancy fish from a Chippie, and if you order chicken, it's deep fried and it can go very dry. So I thought, and the pies are put in a microwave, and if I was having a cheese and onion pie, it would be just in a microwave and then straight to me, so soggy pastry. Anyway, so I tried their cheese and onion fritter, and yeah, I wasn't impressed. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make those myself and see if I can make them any better. And well, I thought they were. So let's go through the ingredients. In my bowl here, I have a couple of tablespoons of plain flour, about half a teaspoon of paprika, some salt, some pepper and some chili flakes. And all I've done is I've mixed them together. And here I have some onion that I have sauteed. I've got a beaten egg, a little bit of milk in case I need it, and some grated cheddar. And this is grated at home, not the stuff from the bags, because the stuff from the bags has an anti-caking agent on it, usually a cornstarch or a potato starch, to stop it sticking together, and it doesn't melt the same, and it's okay. But for this, I want the cheese to melt and be ooey and gooey. So if you come on down, I'll show you what we're doing. Right then, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our egg to the flour mix, and we want quite a thick batter. And I actually don't think I'm going to need the milk today, because there's our thick batter. And into it we're going to add the sauteed onions, and I sauteed those on a fairly low heat for about 10 minutes. So they didn't, some coloured more than others, but I didn't really want them colouring at all. Okay. Then we're going to add in our cheese. And we're just going to mix this all together so that every bite's got some onion and it's got some cheese. And yep, right. Now I'm going to fry off just one to show you, because this is actually going to be my dinner tonight. I'm having a Fritters, cheese and onion fritters and chips for my dinner. So we'll move over to the stove. Now I've got a little bit of oil in there and it's heating up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in about a dessert spoonful of the mix, and we're just going to let it cook for a couple of minutes on each side. Everything, well, the onions are the only things that need cooking, so I don't have to go, oh no, I've got to cook it for ages. So I'll come back when I turn. Right then, we've had a couple of minutes, so let's turn it over. Nice colour, you can see the onions nicely coloured. Now if you wanted them to puff up a bit more, you could put a half a teaspoon of baking powder into the mix, but I don't want it puffy. It's just like this is what I want. So next time you see this, it'll be cooked. Right then, in about 5 minutes, this is fully cooked. Or it took about 5 minutes for this to be fully cooked. Would probably be grammatically better. There we go. There you can see it. Now, if you used a vegan cheese, obviously this is vegan. So let's break it in apart. There's both sides of it. Side one, side two. Let's have a little look. Oh, a little look inside. Oh, It's jolly warm. There you go. Doesn't look bad, does it? And you can use any cheese. I used grated cheddar, strong cheddar. You could put some parmesan in there, some red Leicester. It's entirely up to you. The chili flakes are optional. The paprika really does bring it up a level, but let's see how it tastes without burning my mouth. That is like a toasted cheese and onion sandwich without the bread. Don't want to eat too much because, as I say, that's my dinner, but I'm going to finish this piece. So, cheese and onion fritters. Don't get much easier, does it? Perfect for a meat-free Monday. Or a chippy or a chippy style tea if you don't want the fish. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen. God, it was it. In the Kitchen with Penn. And I shall see you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.